Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, girls. How are you? Hope you're doing good and fine. Today we are here to learn about what are electric circuits, conductors, and insulators. We already know about conductors and insulators, but the new thing is electric circuits. They are all connected together. Now we will see. Today we are going to learn more about them. So our lesson vocabulary for this lesson will be insulator, conductor, circuit, then a series circuit, a parallel circuit. Okay, maybe you keep asking what is circuit, what is circuits. Today, let's find out about them. Is it shocking? Definitely. Working around electric utility lines is dangerous. How does a line worker stay safe? Look at this guy. He's working around a utility electric surface. Okay, now he's fixing the wires so we can get an electricity in our homes, in our businesses, in our schools, and everywhere. So how can he stay safe? This worker's clothing is made up of insulators. Yes, definitely. Look at the gloves. Look at the jacket. What about the helmet? Why he's using all these? Just to insulate himself, because electricity can be very dangerous, because he might get shocked or burned if he touches a wire by mistake. So the clothing will not allow electric charges to flow through it if the worker accidentally touches the wrong wires. See, guys? So insulators or insulators help you to stay safe from... Alright, so we know all about insulators and conductors. Now, the rubber and plastic used in the protective clothing, so they do not allow electric charges to flow through them. So these are insulators. Then, electric charges flow easily through metal and some liquids, so we call them conductors. And we know all about insulators and conductors. Okay, now let's learn about new things. Look at these two pictures. These two pictures are also about insulators and conductors. So the first one, the parts of a plug that you hold and the covering on the wire are insulators. We know that, of course, so you can use them safely. And then the metal prongs that go into the outlet are good conductors. So parts of the plug is metal, so they allow to absorb what? Absorb electricity and bring it to you, so you can use it. So, but it is safe to use it because you are holding the insulated already thing. Okay, what about the second picture? Look at the electrical appliance. So the electrical appliances work when electric charges flow through them. The parts that carry electric charges are made from conductors. Insulators are wrapped around the conductors to make appliance safe to handle. Definitely, everything is safe for you just to use it. All right? Now, I want you to do a small exercise about insulator and a conductor. Label first the parts of the wire as a conductor or an insulator. I think this is too easy now for you. Then, why are insulator used? Why do we use insulator? Definitely, insulators resist the flow of electric charges, so wires are covered with insulators so that people can handle them safely. See? It's all about your safety. Okay. Now, today we are going to learn about new thing. We call it a circuit, electric circuit. Look at this picture. This picture shows you the electric circuit. It looks like a circle, and it definitely, yes, it's all about the circle. All things must be connected together. And let me tell you, at the beginning, we have an open circuit and a closed circuit. So when it's open, it means something, and when it's closed, it means something. Let's read more about it. So, if I told you that a circuit is a path along with electric charges can flow. Okay, that means when electric charges are flowing, they will give us electricity and my things are going to work? Yes, definitely. You need an electric current so your things can work. Your television can turn on, or your refrigerator can turn on, or anything, or even your lamp. When you turn on the lights, you need electric circuit. Now, the path of the electric charges that can flow, we call it circuit. If the path is broken and charges cannot flow, we call it an open circuit. Why? Because you open the door for them, so they are not connected anymore, so they cannot give you electricity anymore. Please close the door so everything can flow together and give you the light. So, there are no breaks in its path. We call it a closed circuit. Now, the main two ideas about closed and open circuit, that you need everything to be connected together and touching each other, so you can open your light, or you can open your refrigerator or your television or your Walkman, so you can have your electricity. But if you open it, you cannot use electricity. So, let me tell you the main things that you need to make a simple electric circuit. You need a battery, just like this one, wires, and a switch, okay? Over here, what's wrong? If you want to know what is wrong in this picture, the wires are not really connected together, so you need to draw a line between the battery and the wire. I already drew a line. And also I need to close the switch over there so it will be connected. See? So you will have a closed circuit, which means a closed circle. You need to make a closed circle. So when everything is touching together and connected to each other, then you can have your electricity works. So if you close this switch, just like the arrow over here it's shown, the buzzer will turn on. Okay? So if I ask you, the buzzer in this circuit is not working, trace the circuit with your finger and describe what's wrong with it, the circuit, and then fix the picture. Okay, so if you want to trace it with your hand, you are going to see that the switch is not closed. You need to close the switch and make it a closed circle. And also you need to make this wire on the right to be touched with or connected with the battery. So the wire isn't connected to the battery and the switch is open. Then if you fix them, you got your buzzer. Your buzzer will turn on. Now, let's see more about a closed and open circuit. over the right picture, you can see a closed circuit and the light is on. Why is that? Because you have a connected circuit. Everything is connected to each other. You need wires to move electricity from the battery to the light. Okay, why I am connecting two other wires to the switcher? So I can control. If I want to control this light to be open or not, I need a switcher. Whenever you open it, just like the left picture, you will have your open circuit and the lights will go off, just like shown in the picture. So, when the switch in a circuit open, the circuit is not complete. So, electric charges cannot flow. So, the light stays off, definitely. And when the switch is closed, the circuit is complete. So, the electric charges can flow through it to light up the bulb. Excellent, girls, excellent. Now, look at this small exercise. The filament in the light bulb is a tiny wire. You can see it with your own eye. Try to find a bulb in your home and look through it. Of course, if you want to touch it or look through it, make sure it is not plugged, okay? So you don't get shock or burn. It is a part of the circuit. If the filament breaks, the circuit will be open. Definitely, it will be open. So if it's open, charges cannot move all around and the circuit is not complete and your work will not be done. Now, whenever your dad or your mom need to fix a bulb, they will tell you, oh, this wire is broke, so we need a new bulb. Now, you are the expert one. You have to check your bulbs and see if they are connected or not. If you can see the bulb inside, the wire inside the bulb, is it connected or not? If it's connected, then you have your closed circuit. But if it's not, you have your open circuit. So if it's open, it's not working, and if it's closed, it is working. That's it for today, grade 4. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for listening. See you tomorrow in a new lesson.